For 40 years, the Tubądzin plant has been setting trends in tile design, and thanks to the application of most advanced technologies, the products of the company are characterized by the quality recognized all over the world. The Tubądzin Group owns 3 production plants and a modern logistics and distribution center. Growing volume of orders combined with expansion plans led to extension of the distribution center with a modern automated warehouse. The center was provided with a 23 meters high, 15-level pallet racking warehouse with 8 stacker cranes, a mini-load storage zone with 4 stations for picking from containers, and 12 GTP picking stations equipped with a put-to-light system, as well as about 1,000 running meters of conveyors. Upon this development, the entire warehousing area increased to reach 50,000 square meters. The automation part was delivered and integrated by the Logisystem company. The MFC and WMS systems were provided by Qguar, with which the Tubądzin company has been cooperating since 2007. Nowadays, the client is very demanding. He expects ordered goods to reach him in as short time as possible and demonstrate as high quality as possible. So, automation supports many processes in warehouses. First of all, it allows delivery times to be reduced, errors to be optimized. By synchronizing automatic and manual processes, the Qguar WMS and Qguar MFC systems allow orders to be processed in an extremely efficient manner. A high bay warehouse may process up to 300 pallets per hour. Shipment realization times reached by the Tubądzin company, increased efficiency or reduced number of errors. These are not the only benefits in this project. Before we set about realizing the investment, we developed a number of main assumptions. Improvement of the quality of the picking process was, of course, one of the most important assumptions. We wanted to improve the service we had already been providing to clients. Improved ergonomics of our workers' tasks was another equally important assumption. As the load handled by our employees for many hours is very demanding, it was also our main objective to aid them in handling heavy loads. Tiles are delivered to the warehouse from 3 production plants. Information about transports from production plants reach the WMS system automatically, thanks to integration with the ERP system. Once a logistic label on a pallet is scanned, a part of articles is distributed on classic racks, while another part is sent to the automatic warehouse, wherefrom they will be fed into the picking process. The picking zone handles articles from the mini-load storage zone and from the automatic pallet warehouse. 12 GTP stations handle simultaneously up to 48 orders, while one article can be picked for several shipments. Qguar WMS informs the operator about the quantity of an article to be picked for shipment, while the put-to-light installation minimizes the number of errors. Operators' work is additionally facilitated by mechanical grippers. Small-sized articles from the mini-load zone are transferred to the palletization station, where they are consolidated. The multi-picking strategy in the WMS system supplements high efficiency of automation solutions and increases the number of shipments realized per time unit. We focused primarily on automation of the picking process because, from our point of view, it was the crucial domain to be optimized. But solutions in the domain of intralogistics will absolutely prove to be useful in any process. Palletized goods are transported to foil wrapping machines, and once they are secured, they receive shipment labels. Then, pallets are directed with a T-car onto gravity roll conveyors to the dock zone, where they are grouped and loaded with lift trucks onto trailers. Event management in automatic systems and synchronization of business processes with the WMS software require an efficient MFC system. It is this system that mediates in the communication between PLC controllers of devices and the WMS layer. This role in the warehouse of the Tubądzin Group is performed by Qguar MFC that shares the technology and architecture with the WMS system. Warehouse management without a WMS or MFC class system is impossible when automation solutions have been implemented because, actually, from the business process realized in the ERP system, we have to transfer these decisions, these operations, to the warehouse. So this is where these systems support us, the MFC system in this particular case. It took only 12 months from the commencement of the investment for the warehouse to become operational. In spite of demanding deadlines, many processes were accurately adapted to individual requirement of the Tubądzin company. Many modifications also affected WMS and MFC systems. The obtained results proved the pursuit of high flexibility of the new solutions to be right. One has to adopt a very wide perspective when contemplating such an investment. I do not recommend taking shortcuts or seeking compromises, for this solution is to be made to measure of the investor's needs. Neither do I recommend to let suppliers push their out-of-the-box solutions at any price, for such investment is to be tailored to meet our needs. So, one should keep searching until one finds a supplier who meets our requirements. This impressive project was developed thanks to visionary decisions of the Tubądzin Group management and thanks to professional cooperation of all partners. Development of the center confirmed the investor's belief that it is worth investing in advanced solutions. The experience gained in the project will certainly prove useful in further projects. We had the good fortune to have selected such partners for this investment, whom I can recommend with clear conscience. And it applies to construction designs, automation, as well as suppliers of IT systems. When setting about new investments, we will decidedly start first consultations with the same partners. Thanks to the implemented solutions, the Tubądzin company may ship about 200 TIR lorries with tiles per 24 hours. This proves that caring for clients' satisfaction also involves advanced logistics.